Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's in the evening, with the additional of today's newspaper on a Wednesday. It's Wednesday, still Wednesday, February the 8th, 2023. And we have here seven extra puzzles in this additional. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two tectonics, one with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And we have also one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. So, total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve because otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. Yes. And today we have also three regular puzzles. So I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. Well, the first one is the 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 5928. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Alright. We have here 3 twos, 2 threes, 2 fours, 1 5, 2 sixes, 3 sevens, 4 eights, and 2 nines. So the ones and eights are in majority. Can I start with 1? Yeah. No, I cannot start with 1. What's happening? 1. 1 will be difficult. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. No. Cannot continue with 1. Ugh. How about the 6 in this row? 6 in the last row. So the row between. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Okay. Then. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this row should be there. Alright. Okay, now 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. No. Well, 2 missing numbers in this first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes, and there. 9, 9. 1, 1. We have a pair. We have a 1 and a 9 in this row. The 1 and a 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square for numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay, so we have a 6 in this row, 6 in one of those two boxes in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 to 3, 2 to 3. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this row. Here we have 4 to 6. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. 8, 8. 8, 8. Okay. Now. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 9, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Well. How about? Let me think. 7, 7, 7, 7. 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in this column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 to 4, 2 to 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1, 1. Okay. Now. Three should be here. 3 should be 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 3. Here can be 3 because we have 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, or there. Well, here can be 3 because we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes. And the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. In this big square, we have a 5 in the second column. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a pair, the 1 and the 9 in the first column, the 1 and the 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 9 goes and there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see here 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here 1 in the column next, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Yeah. 9. 4, 6, 7. Well. Need to think. We have all the ones. Oh. 1. Okay. Well. 9. That means here need a 9. Need a 9 here. 9. Need a 4. Need a 5 also. 4. 9. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this column, so no 4 and a 9 in this box. The 4 and 9 goes in one of these three boxes. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Alright, so one digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in the third row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. And I've eliminated 3, so the 3 goes in there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see a 3 in this column. No 3 there, 3 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. Now we have a 3 in this column. So no 3 there, 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 4 and the 9 then. Okay. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. How about a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below? So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in this middle column. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in the second row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. All right. Okay, 22, 99, here should be 9, okay, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. Well, here can be a 9, here, 3 missing numbers, one of the missing numbers is a 9, well, here can be a 9, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. And I need a 9 in one of these two boxes. Here 9 or there 9. Well, if I place the 9 here, then I cannot place any 9 in one of those two boxes. And I need a 9 in this column. So the only place left for the 9 should be here. Alright, so one digit left in this row for number 4. 4 to 6, we have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 6 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then one box left in this column for the 1, the 2 is missing. 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is a 2. I need a 2 here in the third row. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this column. So no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright, 2, 2. 7 and 6. 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. One box left in this big square for the 1. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. One box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So we have 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 now in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 to 4, 2 to 4. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 to 4 again. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 2 goes there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 7 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. The 4 Stars Sudoku and the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.